Hello everyone, welcome to our storyline tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to create a blinking effect using motion paths in Storyline. Let's get started. First, open the storyline and select the object you want to animate. This can be any object on your slide. Here I've chosen Oval 1 as the object to blink. Next, create a new state for Oval 1. Name the state Blinking. And add animation to Oval 1. The next step involves creating a line animation. Insert a shape, then go to Add Motion Path and select a line motion path. In the trigger section, you'll see a trigger has been automatically created. Similarly, add a second line motion path to the same shape. Edit the trigger for the second line motion path by updating it to trigger when the animation completes and set the animation to line motion path 1. Duplicate this trigger and change line motion path 2 to line motion path 1. And line motion path 1 to line motion path 2 as shown here. Then reduce the animation duration. Now, preview to ensure the line animation works correctly. Here we can see the rectangle 1 is moving along motion paths. Next, use line motion paths to make Oval 1 to blink. Go to the trigger panel, add a trigger to change the state of Oval 1 to the blinking state. When the animation completes of rectangle 1, and set the animation to line motion path 1, and click OK. Duplicate the trigger, update it, change Oval 1 state to normal state. When the animation completes of rectangle 1 and set the animation to line motion path 2 and click OK. Now let's preview this slide and check if Oval 1 is blinking. Here you can see the Oval 1 is blinking. And now you can keep the rectangle 1 to outside of the slide so that it's not visible on the screen. And now you've learned how to create a blinking effect using motion paths in Storyline. Thank you for watching!